In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas. This dad tried to save his trampoline from being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there!
He will get taken too.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Bennett!
This video from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
Whoa!
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo agarraste. Lo agarré, cabal.
This is called a crown flash and it was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy. Whoa, look at that! The red one, you see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.
Whoa!
At the end of each year, an incredible phenomenon occurs on Christmas Island. Over 100 million crabs migrate towards the ocean, a journey that takes them an average of 18 days.
Allahu Akbar, bagus ya guys. Nah.
Even the most skilled artists can't compete with nature in terms of creating beauty.
Guys, kita hari ini buka guys ya.
According to witnesses, Pisa was thrown into chaos that day. The water spout was just a small part of the havoc that nature unleashed on this Italian city. To ward off threats and warn their fellow bees, honeybees employ this unique tactic. The more imminent and noticeable the danger, the stronger and more frequent these waves are. At first, it seems like a nest, but upon closer inspection, you'll see it's actually a cluster of harvestmen. Their legs can sometimes be as much as 20 times longer than their bodies. The Squirrel King is a peculiar and rare event where several squirrels become entangled by their tails and can't free themselves. This usually happens because of resin, fur, or nesting refuse. This unusual tree is located in Olympic National Park in Washington. Locals have nicknamed it the Tree of Life because it has managed to survive without its roots ever touching the ground. By all biological laws, this tree should have perished years ago, but instead, it stands as a living testament to the strength of perseverance. The tide has turned this mix of sand and ice into a unique sculpture.
Ja, what's up? Mamma! Jag får inte
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane. In 2018, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
Mira, mira. No, el que viene de abajo. No.
In 2018, 4 waterspouts emerged on the coast of Thailand. A sinkhole in Illinois randomly opened up earlier this year. They were driving down a road in Sydney, Australia when this happened.
Wow! Whoa! Oh my god!
This guy was in a pool when an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year. This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018. I guess police officers in Texas really are built different.
No.
He managed to get inside his car and safely escape from the bear.
Meu Deus! Ah, tudo que eu precisava.
This wildlife educator realized that he could stop a charging cheetah just by putting his hand up.
Oh my god. Hold on, I have to catch this. Mama, ahí viene!
Oh, so I'm just reading a book. And Hello. What's up? Oh, there's little babies. There are little babies. Hey, boo-boo.
Vikram, il aime ça.
Il aime ça?
Oui.
Hey, pourquoi vous avez coupé? Dormez, dormez, couchez-vous, couchez-vous.
Oh my god, that's amazing. This is boring. Yeah, it's so bright. You can feel the heat.
Incredible footage from Hawaii. Lava, with a temperature of about 1100 degrees Celsius, flows into the ocean, creating a massive steam plume rising into the air.
Feel that heat.
It seems the ice flow ruthlessly swept away everything in its path, including the trees. Scientists have concluded that these ice disks form due to swirling currents that cause the ice to spin and take on a perfect round shape.
Hi. Hi, cutie. Why you so cute? Oh, he coming. Oh, hell no.
We're alphas, bro. Come on.
These fishermen were reeling in a shark they caught when the shark suddenly started fighting back.
Do you see that? Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Oh my gosh.
This is one of the largest gatherings of orcas ever recorded. It was filmed in Norway, and it's thought that there are over 300 orcas here.
I have never ever seen anything like this.
These houses in Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds.
Oh my god!
Back in 2022, a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho. In 2020, a snowstorm in New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice. In June 2020, a massive landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea. All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt. In 2022, Puerto Rico had flooding that was so severe that it destroyed this bridge. In 2019, a glacier in Iceland fell into the water, creating a massive wave. These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experience some extreme static electricity. This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any moment. In 2019 in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within seconds.
What the Yeah, een tornado.
Wyoming had some pretty strong winds that happened earlier this year in April 2024. This giant tornado was seen moving through Canada. That is the end of this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. A young bull elk became very interested in this photographer and started headbutting him. The photographer managed to remain calm until he was eventually able to leave safely. This lion at a reserve in South Africa suddenly decided to charge at these hotel guests.
Oh, he's got a truck. Watch out, boys. Girls with elbow under there.
In 2023, a wild moose in Alaska wandered into a movie theater and started snacking on popcorn. This elephant somehow wandered into this Buddhist temple.
Don't run into our car!
This dolphin figured out that the easiest way to catch fish was to let these guys do all the work.
Let Flipper eat him! Oh! In the boat! In the boat! Is that a dolphin? It's the dolphin. Holy sh! Open your veil. He's coming for this one. Oh! Oh! I'm gonna picture that! Holy
Oh my heck. She's like, they're like big giant geese.
Yeah. What are they doing with their feathers? Ah!
Oh! Oh! Shit.
This bird just wouldn't leave this guy alone.
Owl, bro. I'm getting attacked by a f***ing owl, bro.
This is how to subdue a cobra without harming it. You basically need to distract the snake in the front and then come from behind and gently grab it.
to the ground and thumb and forefinger. Touch. This one go. Touch. Catch in the back side. See, this one also dangerous for in.
Just waiting for Ricky to be released. And he's there we are. There.
This beach was suddenly invaded by a massive swarm of dragonflies.
They just came out of nowhere off the water. I don't know why. They must not like me. Hey, sweetheart. Hello. Hello, my darling. Oh